Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a profitable portfolio with eBay. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of eBay. Research the types of products that sell well on the platform. Identify your interests and expertise to make informed choices about what to sell. Consider factors like demand, competition, and pricing trends. Set up a business account on eBay to access additional features. Choose a recognizable username that reflects your brand. Complete your profile with accurate information to build trust with buyers. Create an inventory list of items you want to sell. Source products from local thrift stores, garage sales, or wholesale suppliers. Take high-quality photos of your items from multiple angles. Write clear, detailed descriptions including sizes, conditions, and any flaws. Set competitive prices based on your research. List your items with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Utilize eBay's promotional tools to boost your listings. Offer free shipping when possible to attract more buyers. Make sure to choose the right auction or fixed price format based on your strategy. Monitor your listings regularly and respond promptly to questions. Once you make sales, focus on providing excellent customer service. Ask buyers for feedback to build your reputation. Reinvest your earnings into expanding your inventory. Continuously analyze your sales data to identify trends and improve your strategy. Stay updated on eBay's policies and best practices to ensure compliance. Network with other sellers for tips and collaboration opportunities. Consider scaling your operations by exploring additional selling channels outside of eBay. Adapt and evolve your portfolio based on market changes and customer preferences. Maintain patience and persistence as you work towards profitability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.